Welcome back to CarWow 787, your number one destination for discovering the most innovative, unusual, and forward-thinking vehicles on the planet. If you're a fan of creativity, design, and unique engineering, you're absolutely going to love what we have in store for you today. Be sure to hit the subscribe button and turn on notifications so you don't miss our next video. Let's dive straight into the world of alternative living and mobile innovation. Imagine a world where mobility, sustainability, minimalism, and design blend together into one incredibly crafted machine. That's exactly what Kevin Cyr's 2026 camper tricycle represents. It's not just a camper, and it's not just a tricycle, it's a rolling statement about independence, resourcefulness, and artistic expression. This machine isn't made for speed, it's built for meaning. And in a world increasingly fascinated by van life and mobile homes, Kevin Cyr's 2026 creation is redefining what it means to live on wheels. Let's go back a bit to understand the roots of this project. Kevin Cyr, an artist and designer based in the United States, has spent much of his career exploring themes of utility, mobility, and urban living. He first made headlines years ago with his unique camper bike and camper van artwork, some real, some conceptual. But with the 2026 model, he's taken things to a whole new level. This version is not just an art piece. It's fully functional, carefully engineered, and more relevant than ever in today's climate-conscious world. The 2026 model keeps true to Kevin Cyr's signature look: boxy, raw, unapologetically honest. Unlike polished RVs or futuristic concept vans, the Camper Trike 2026 embraces simplicity and functionality. Its boxy wooden shell is mounted on a tricycle frame. Yes, a tricycle. But don't let that mislead you. It's not a toy, and it's not a gimmick. It's a purposeful creation meant to be pedaled across city streets and campsites with everything you need to survive and thrive on the go. The camper shell itself is made from high-quality lightweight plywood, reinforced with aluminum framing to give it strength while keeping the overall weight manageable. The exterior is painted in weather-resistant coatings, with bold color choices like red, blue, and olive green becoming popular options among buyers and fans. On the front and sides, you'll often see custom decals or the Kevin Cyr signature logo, which further enhance its artistic appeal. Every panel and corner is intentionally simple, but there's an elegance in that simplicity. It's both a homage to traditional campers and a nod to urban survivalism. As for mobility, the 2026 model comes with a hybrid pedal electric system. That means it's not entirely reliant on human pedaling, thankfully, especially when you're going uphill or carrying a heavy load. There's a small but efficient electric motor built into the rear hub that provides additional torque when needed. It's powered by a rechargeable lithium-ion battery pack located beneath the camper's floor. On average, the electric assist gives you a range of around 40 to 60 kilometers per charge, depending on terrain and payload. And speaking of payload, the Camper Trike has a rear suspension system. Yes, you heard that right, that allows it to handle extra weight without compromising comfort or control. The frame is made from aircraft-grade aluminum tubing, welded and treated for durability. There are 3 all-terrain wheels equipped with puncture-resistant tires and disc brakes for reliable stopping power. Step inside, and this is where the Camper 2026 really shines. The interior is surprisingly cozy and well thought out. It may be compact, but it's smartly organized. There's a single sleeping berth made from memory foam that folds into a seat during the day. Along the side wall, you'll find a small fold-out desk that can double as a dining table or a mobile workstation. Storage compartments are built into every inch of space under the floor, above the windows, even behind the seat back. Every detail is meant to make the most of the limited space without feeling claustrophobic. For lighting and energy, the 2026 camper is equipped with a compact solar panel on the roof. This solar panel is connected to a small power station inside, allowing users to charge phones, power LED lights, and even run a fan or mini fridge. That means complete off-grid capability, no need for campsites with hookups or city power connections. You're free to roam, park, and live wherever the road or trail takes you. Ventilation is achieved through side windows and a small roof vent. Each window has a mesh cover to keep bugs out and allow airflow, and thermal curtains to maintain warmth during cooler months. The camper is also insulated with eco-friendly material, which helps regulate temperature both in summer and winter. Step inside, and this is where the Camper 2026 really shines. The interior is surprisingly cozy and well thought out. It may be compact, but it's smartly organized. There's a single sleeping berth made from memory foam that folds into a seat during the day. Along the side wall, you'll find a small fold-out desk that can double as a dining table or a mobile workstation. Storage compartments are built into every inch of space under the floor, above the windows, even behind the seat back. Every detail is meant to make the most of the limited space without feeling claustrophobic. For lighting and energy, the 2026 camper is equipped with a compact solar panel on the roof. This solar panel is connected to a small power station inside, allowing users to charge phones, power LED lights, and even run a fan or mini fridge. That means complete off-grid capability, no need for campsites with hookups or city power connections. You're free to roam, park, and live wherever the road or trail takes you. Ventilation is achieved through side windows and a small roof vent. Each window has a mesh cover to keep bugs out and allow airflow, and thermal curtains to maintain warmth during cooler months. The camper is also insulated with eco-friendly material, which helps regulate temperature both in summer and winter. Now let's talk about the functionality. This camper is not designed for luxury, it's designed for freedom. It gives you the ability to travel at your own pace, sleep under the stars, park where cars can't go, and live with a minimal footprint. It's especially ideal for urban nomads, artists, environmentalists, or anyone looking to escape the consumerism of modern life. There's no plumbing inside the camper, but a collapsible water jug and a small outdoor shower setup are included. Some users opt to carry a compact camping stove, which can be set up outside on a slide-out tray. It's basic, yes, but it's intentionally basic. That's the beauty of it. This camper encourages you to slow down, reconnect with nature, and rethink what you really need in your day-to-day life. One of the standout features of the 2026 edition is its modular design. Buyers can now choose from several interior packages like the Rider's Nook, which includes a built-in desk and bookshelves, or the Nomad's Lounge, which offers a small entertainment system and extra seating. These packages are easily swappable and customizable, allowing each user to make their camper uniquely theirs. As of now, the Kevin Cyr Camper 2026 is being produced in limited numbers, often as commission art projects or one-off builds. However, due to growing interest and demand, there are talks of a small production run in collaboration with a sustainable transport startup. If that happens, we might soon see more of these amazing machines in cities and towns across the world. It's important to note that this camper isn't just a vehicle, it's a movement. It challenges our ideas of space, luxury, freedom, and sustainability. In a time where housing is increasingly expensive, and where people are looking for new ways to live more consciously, Kevin Cyr's Camper Tricycle 2026 offers a glimpse into what's possible. In a world filled with noise and clutter, this camper is a statement of simplicity. It tells us we don't need more space, we just need smart space. We don't need faster, we need freer. And we don't always need fuel, we just need determination, creativity, and the courage to pedal forward. Whether you're a fan of design, sustainability, or just love quirky inventions, the Kevin Cyr Camper 2026 is a vehicle that captivates the imagination. It's not trying to be the biggest or the fastest, it's simply trying to be enough. And in many ways, that's exactly what makes it extraordinary. Thank you so much for joining us in today's deep dive into this incredible vehicle. We hope you enjoyed learning about the Kevin Cyr Camper 2026 as much as we enjoyed sharing it. If you found this video insightful, make sure to like, comment, and share it with your fellow adventurers. Don't forget to subscribe and turn on notifications so you never miss our upcoming videos on groundbreaking automotive innovations and mobile living solutions.